So the next area in the degree audit that I want to show you is where you would come and check to see if you needed and where your classes were coming in from the transfer work. So again, we could come and look in the specific areas, but a great place is to come all the way to the bottom of the audit, back where that legend is, and click on the course history. This is where the record of all courses that have been transferred into the university and what we've equated them to would be listed. So for instance, this student took ENG 121 at Pikes Peak, and that is equal to UCCS's English 1310. So we see it up here, transfer credit, what the course was and the institution it was taken at, and then how it equates to UCCS. If in your audit you see something that says XFCR 1999 TC, we don't have a direct equivalency in our automated system that recognize that course. This could just mean that your advisor needs to go in and look. It could mean that you need to petition the department to ensure that the course is equal to the same, but you can work with your academic advisor to determine what steps are needed and if an XFCR 199 TC course that you've done at your transfer institution can apply to the degree. It's just saying we have a credit, we're just not sure how it matches to UCCS, and a further conversation is needed. In the future, this is where you'll see the classes that you've taken at UCCS and then the grades in which you've received. So I got here again by running an audit, the process we first learned, scrolling all the way to the bottom of the audit, clicking on course history, and then pulling down all the classes under my course history in which I can take. And that's the best place to start. And then to see again, this is the course, but how does it apply to the degree? That's when we'd come back up into the audit and find where that course is applying specifically to a requirement of the major. So for instance, we can see under composition, that is where English 1310 is applying to the degree and 1410 is applying to the degree. So the bottom is where we see a total number of our courses. Within the top of the audit under specific requirements is where we are able to see and determine the rest.